Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In the previous class, we discussed about difference between present perfect and past simple. Now we are gonna discuss about past simple. Okay. So I have written some examples over here. I'll take you through these examples, and we will understand. Okay. She wrote a letter. This is first example that I have written. She wrote a letter. उसने एक चिट्ठी लिखी. She went to लाल चौक. वो लाल चौक गई. He scolded his son. उसने अपने बेटे को डांटा. I advised him to be consistent. मैंने उसको नसीहत की ताकि वो consistent रहे. You abused your friend. आपने अपने दोस्त को गाली दी. We learnt a great lesson from this story. हमने इस स्टोरी से एक बहुत बड़ा लेसन सीखा. They solved their dispute in an amicable way. उन्होंने अपना डिस्प्यूट तनाज़ा अच्छे माहौल में सॉल्व किया, यानी कि फ्रेंडली वे सॉल्व किया. ओके. शी रोट ए लेटर. उसने एक चिट्ठी लिखी. दिस इज सब्जेक्ट, दिस इज सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. इन पास्ट सिंपल, व्हेन वी हैव टू मेक पास्ट सिंपल, वी हैव टू यूज सब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब देन ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके. अनदर एग्जांपल, शी वेंट टू लाल चौक. वो लाल चौक गई. सब्जेक्ट, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. ही स्कॉल्डेड हिज सन. उसने अपने बेटे को डांटा. सब्जेक्ट, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके. आई एडवाइज्ड हिम टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. मैंने उसको नसीहत की ताकि वो कंसिस्टेंट रहे. सब्जेक्ट, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके. एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. यू अब्यूज्ड योर फ्रेंड. आपने अपने दोस्त को गाली दी. सब्जेक्ट, second form of verb and object. We learnt a great lesson from this story. हमने एक बेहतरीन लेसन इस स्टोरी से सीखा. Subject, second form of verb then object. They solved their dispute in an amicable way. उन्होंने अपना तनाज़ा फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर में सॉल्व किया. Subject, second form of verb then object. Okay. So I have written rule over here. Same rule that I have been telling you. Subject, second form of verb and object. Okay. Remember one thing, when we talk about the difference between present perfect and past simple. In present perfect we use है. For example, I have eaten food. मैंने खाना खाया है. I have gone to लाल चौक. मैं लाल चौक गया हूँ. I have done my work. मैंने अपना काम किया है. There we have to use है because it shows present. Okay, present perfect. Because when we talk about present, it means hazir. But when we talk about past, okay, we don't have to use hai. Okay. She wrote a letter. उसने एक चिट्ठी लिखी. Here we don't have to use उसने एक चिट्ठी लिखी है. No, we don't have to say like that. We have to say उसने एक चिट्ठी लिखी. Same way, she went to लाल चौक. वो लाल चौक गई. लाल चौक गई है नहीं. We can't say वो लाल चौक गई है. We have to use वो लाल चौक गई. Same way, he told his son. उसने अपने बेटे को डांटा. Again, we don't have to use उसने अपने बेटे को डांटा है because this is past. Remember, past means जो गुजरा हुआ, that the time which has already passed. Okay. I advised him to be consistent. मैंने उसको नसीहत की ताकि वो consistent रहे. This action has happened in the past. Okay. You abused your friend. आपने अपने दोस्त को गाली दी. We learnt a great lesson from this story. हमने एक बेहतरीन सबक इस स्टोरी से सीखा. They solved their dispute in an amicable way. उन्होंने अपना डिस्प्यूट बेहतरीन अंदाजे में सॉल्व किया, यानी कि फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर में सॉल्व किया. So you can make a lot of examples by yourself while using subject plus second form of verb plus object. Okay. I'll give you some more examples like I went to लाल चौक. मैं लाल चौक गया. I ate food. मैंने खाना खाया. I ate बिरयानी. मैंने बिरयानी खाई. I deposited money in my account. मैंने अपने अकाउंट में पैसे जमा किए. I scolded my son. मैंने अपने बेटे को डांटा. You can give so many examples, whatever you like. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, you have to know the situation. See, for example, it snowed yesterday. कल बर्फ हो गई. It snowed half an hour before. आधे घंटे से पहले बर्फ हो गई. Okay, it rained half an hour before. It rained 1 hour before. Okay, I went to Lal Chowk. I went to they visited Taj Mahal. They dug their land. You can give so many examples, but one thing you have to remember is that you are supposed to know the rule. Rule is you have to use subject plus second form of verb plus object. Okay, I think you got this lesson, and if you have got any question, just write to me and I will answer each and every question that you have got relevant to the topic. Thank you guys, and stay tuned. Thank you.